Okay. So this is set to 23-24 one sample paper that we are practicing. Okay.
Okay.
It's question number
Okay.
1. Can somebody read?
Yes. Charu, a partner, guaranteed that her share of profit will be not less than 60,000 uh, per annum.
Hmm.
Deficiently, if any was to be borne by other partner, Ari and Bhavi equally.
Hmm.
For the year ended 31st March 2023, the firm incurred loss of 1,80,000, which amount will be debited to RE's capital account in
Okay.
total at the end of the year.
Okay. Both of you discuss and try. I'll just come in a minute. Okay. Let's discuss.
Okay.
What is the thing?
The loss is 1,80,000,
What is the guaranteed profit? Charu was
60,000,
guaranteed how much?
60,000.
60,000.
Charu was guaranteed 60,000 per annum.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Deficiency, if any, is to be borne by Arohi and Bhavi equally.
Yes. Yes.
For the year ended, the firm has made a loss of 180,000. Okay. The firm has
Okay.
made a loss of 180,000. What amount will be debited to Arohi's capital account? Nothing properly. If the firm is making loss of 180,000, first this loss will be going to all the three partners in equal proportion.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm, yes.
So this loss has to be distributed amongst all the three partners.
Yes.
Plus, Charu has to be given 60,000 of profit.
Yes, sir.
This is guaranteed profit.
Yes.
Okay. Does that mean that Charu will not take any loss with her?
Yes, she will not pay.
Anas,
Yes,
even
ma'am.
you think
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell
She will
me.
not take any loss.
That
Yes,
it
she will
means
not
that
pay.
Charu will not take any loss because she is going to get guaranteed profit. That means
Yes.
I have to split up. I hope you are doing it along with me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay. It means I have to split up to 40,000 between A and B.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If I have to split up to 40,000 between A and B and it is going to be distributed equally, so half
Yes.
amount will go with A
120.
and half amount will go with B.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the amount that is debited to ROE's capital account?
120.
120,000.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Mhm.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the next question. Anas, please read it and while reading, try to explain that question. Okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Assertion and reasoning. Assertion. P, Q, and R are partners in a firm. R has invested rupees 2 lakh more in comparison to other partner. R claims 6% of interest on his excess capital.
Okay.
Reason.
R is what is happening over here? Can you please explain me?
R has introduced 2 lakh capital more
Hmm.
and he's
In
claiming
comparison to
6%
other
interest.
partners, and he wants more six. Okay, fine.
And he needs 6% more interest in his capital.
Okay. Now, what is the reason?
Reason: interest on loan is treated as charged, not appropriation.
Okay, is this correct?
No,
I think
Yasir, is it correct? Interest on
no.
loan is a charge on profit, not appropriation on profit.
No, it's
it's
charge and
charged.
profit. Charge.
It's
Charge and
charged.
profit.
It's true. It's true.
Interest on loan is a charge on profit.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is the difference between charge on profit and appropriation on profit?
Appropriation is the after charged amount, all the profit distributed.
Appropriation of profit is only amongst the partners.
Yes,
Appropriation of profit is only amongst the partners.
partner.
And charge on profit is the firm and outsiders.
Yes.
Okay, except for interest on loan.
Okay.
So is the reason correct?
Yes.
Is the reason true?
Yes.
Yeah. Interest on loan is treated as charged, not appropriation. Reason is true?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
it's true.
Talk about assertion.
Assertion.
Assertion, he introduced new capital, so it's not like loan.
What is assertion? He's telling that he has invested more capital, so he should get 6% on his extra
Excess
capital.
capital.
Is it correct?
Yes. Uh,
No. You need
no.
to take in total capital.
See,
Total
what is
capital.
this partner telling? P is telling that if a partner gives loan, okay, no, sorry, R is telling that if a partner gives loan to the firm, we treat that loan as a charge on
Okay.
capital, on the profits, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
we give interest. So that is why if I am giving extra capital, I should also be given interest.
Yes.
This is who is telling this?
P.
R.
So R.
R
R.
is telling. Okay. So he's telling that because interest on loan is 6% and it is charge on profit. So if I am giving extra capital, I should also be given 6% interest on capital extra on my excess capital.
Yes.
तो ये चीज सही है? Is it correct?
That's true.
If interest on capital has to be given, it has to be given to everyone for all the things simultaneously.
Yes.
In the
Yes.
absence of partnership deed, no interest on capital can be given, correct?
Yes.
Okay. In the absence of partnership deed, no interest on capital can be given. Okay.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
you
Okay.
tell me what is correct. Please don't refer to the marking scheme. I'll just pause the video for a minute. Okay. Assertion is wrong. Okay. If you have
Yes.
to give
Yes.
interest on capital, you have to give on everything. So assertion is
Yes.
wrong. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
But this is correct. What is correct?
Reasoning is correct.
Reason is true. So now let us
Yes.
see which option we should choose.
Okay.
Let's see. Reason is correct. Reason is correct. Explanation for assertion is, can this statement be correct?
No.
No. The reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. ठीक है.
No.
तो ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Assertion and reason are true. Can this be correct?
No.
No.
Assertion is true. Can this be correct?
No.
No.
Assertion is false, but reason is true.
Yes.
Yes.
D. Have you understood, Anas?
Yes.
पक्का समझ में आया?
Pakka.
जी.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the next part of the question. Read this question, Yasir.
Yes, ma'am. If T has withdrawn equal amount at the end of each quarter and interest on drawing is charged 12% per annum and amount of interest is 1080, amount of drawing will be.
Amount of drawings will be. Come on, let's do the formula for interest on drawings.
Yes.
What is the formula for interest on drawings?
uh, Amount into rate,
Drawings,
drawings into
Into
rate,
rate,
rate.
and it is end
into.
of each quarter.
Yes,
So,
it's a 4.5.
into end of quarter rate.
4.5.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. Interest on drawings is how much? I
It is
hope you are
when.
doing along with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't know drawings.
Yes.
Rate is 12%.
Yes.
And end of quarter is 4.5 upon 12.
Yes.
I'll cut the 12 and 12. So it will be 1080. This 100 will come here.
Yes.
1080 into 100
Yeah.
into 4.5.
Yes.
So it will become how much?
Uh, one.
Anas, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, go to the next one. Read this part. Read.
A and B are two partners in a firm sharing profit in 4:3. Profit was not sufficient to pay salary to A of rupees 27,000 and to pay commission to B of 18,000.
Hmm.
If commission paid to B was rupees 12,000, then salary payable to A was
Come on, tell me. Profit was not sufficient to pay salary
Yes.
27,000 and to pay commission 18,000. If commission paid to B was 12,000, then salary payable to A was how much? Think. Think and tell, and think about the profit and loss appropriation account.
Yes.
yes,
Sir.
A and B are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. Okay? And the profit was not sufficient to pay salary, which was 27,000, and commission, which was 18,000. That means money was not there to pay both of this. So what did they do? That whatever profits that was left, they divided on proportionate basis. Whatever profit that is there, they divided on proportionate basis. So whatever money is left will be distributed between A and B in the same ratio at which they are going to get salary and commission. So the ratio between salary and commission is how much?
27
What is the
to
ratio between salary and commission?
The,
Salary is
this
27,000 and commission is how much?
18,000.
18,000.
18,000. So what is the ratio between salary and commission? These three zeros will go away.
Okay.
Now you have to start using with your pen and paper. Take a pen and paper and start doing along with me. This would be 3 nines and 3 six, 3 threes and 3 twos.
Okay.
So whatever money is there will be distributed in the proportion of salary and commission. So whatever is going to be there, whatever profit that is going to be there, will be distributed in the ratio of 3:2.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that means 3 portion will go to salary and 2 portion will go to commission. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
3 portion will go to salary and 2 portion will go to commission. So now they've told me that commission paid is how much? 12,000.
Yes.
So salary will be how much? Question mark. So I will cross multiply 12,000 into 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6,000s are. So salary will be 6,000 into 3. So 6 threes are 18. So salary would be 18,000.
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I hope you are with me.
Yes.
Come on. This is which question?
Question number 3.
3. This is question number 3. Let's do the question number 4. Company has issued 1,000 7% debentures.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Anas, understand that debentures is a loan. Issue of debentures is same like issue of shares. So they have issued 1007% debentures means 1000 is the number of debentures. 7% would be the interest on debentures.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. At 5% discount and repayable at 10% premium. Now I need to understand what is it. Debentures issued at 5% discount, repayable at premium. What will be the loss on the issue of debentures?
Okay.
Think.
So just into.
Come on. Debentures are of 100.
Yes.
If it is 5% discount, so 5% on 100 is 5. So debentures are issued at 95. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I issue debentures, I perfectly know that 5 rupees is the discount on issue of debentures. So this will be my first loss.
Okay.
Second loss is it is repayable at 10% premium. Now debenture is at 100. When I repay these debentures, I am going to pay 10 rupees extra.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I repay these debentures, I am going to pay 10 rupees extra. That means I will repay at 110.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to repay at 110. So that means 10 will be my another loss that I already know at the time of issue of debentures. First, tell me this is digested or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the total loss that I am going to face at the time of issue of debentures is 15.
Yes. Total.
Total loss. Anas, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I know how many debentures have I issued.
Yes. 1,000.
I have issued 1000 debentures. So what is the loss on issue of debentures?
1,000 into 15.
Hmm.
Then we'll get 15,000. There's a loss on the.
15,000 is the loss on issue of debentures. Are you with me?
Yes.
Come on, let's go to the fifth one. Can somebody please read that for me?
Yes. Home, Leah, and Amber were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. Now decided to share future profit in 2:1:1 at the time
Okay,
of.
1 minute wait. So the
Yes,
old profit sharing ratio is how much?
5 is
Is
to
to
2, 5 is to 3 is to 2.
3 is
So
to 2.
old profit sharing ratio is on between Ola is 5 is to 3 is to 2. And now they
Okay.
Yes.
decide to share future profits in the ratio of 2 is to
2 is to
1
1
is
is to
to
1.
1. Okay, fine. Come on, tell.
At the time of reconstruction, there were
Reconstitution.
reconstitution. There was a balance of general reserve. If Leah got rupees 15,000, then the amount of general reserve is was.
How much? Okay, fine. So they were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2.
Yes.
Okay. That means there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, you revalue all your assets and liabilities.
Yes.
Okay. You
Yes.
change the balance sheet to the new one.
Okay.
And you distribute your undistributed profits or losses amongst the partners in which ratio?
Old ratio.
Anas, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am. Old,
So you distribute the undistributed profits and losses amongst partners in which ratio?
old
Old.
ratio.
Old ratio. Fine. Old ratio between Ola was how much? 5 is
Old
to
ratio. 5 is to
3 is
3 is
to 2.
to 2. Yeah.
Total ratio is how much?
Total ratio was 10.
5 plus 3 plus 2. Anas, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Total ratio is how much?
10.
10. Okay, fine. Leela got how much?
15,000.
Okay. Anas, will you answer? Leela got how much?
15K.
For how many shares?
3 by
For
100.
3 shares, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for total 10 shares, what would have been the general reserves? Why have I taken 10? Can you please explain me?
That is the total share of all the partners.
That will be total share of all the partners. So that means that would be total general reserves that had to be distributed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for 3 shares, Leela has got how much? 15,000.
Yes.
So for 10 shares, what would be the general reserves? The general reserves would be 10, the full thing. So what will I do?
Uh,
15,000.
Multiplied by 10,
by 10.
divided by 3.
Okay. 3 ones are,
3 ones are 3.
3 fives are, 5,000
15 plus
into 10,
15.
50,000.
50,000.
With me?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go to the next one.
Okay.
Time over.
Anas, this last one, then we go.
Okay.
Read.
Yes.
If the goodwill, if the goodwill of a firm was valued at 90,000, according to 2 years of purchase of super profit, normal profit earned by other firm are 50,000. Then actual profit of the firm are of that firm.
Is how much? Can you tell me how do we calculate goodwill as per super profit? Yasir,
Yes. First, we'll find normal profit, then average profit,
normal
then,
profit,
then
average
we'll
profit.
yes, then we'll get super profit by average minus normal profit,
Super profit is
average minus normal profit.
hmm. Then
Then goodwill equals to super profit into number of year purchased.
super profit into number of
Into
your purchase.
yes,
So they want to know the average or the actual profit. Are you with me?
yes.
Yes.
Goodwill is how much?
Goodwill it's 90,000.
Super profit, do I know?
No,
No.
Number of your purchases?
uh, two.
2. So what will be super profit?
90 divided by 2. 90,000
Super
divided by 2.
profit.
Yes,
Super profit is how
45.
much then? 45,000.
45,000.
Do I know actual profit? I have to find.
Yes.
What is normal profit?
Normal profit is 50.
50 means 95.
95.
90.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I will stop the recording over here just one.